Most people have been asking, Christian, how do we make money online? That was a question that I received several times yesterday. Not only yesterday, but previously, every day, it is running into people's minds. But we make money online in different ways. But in today's video, I'm going to bring for you the simplest way of making money online, and especially for everybody that is holding a smartphone. Nowadays, in this century, out of 100 people, you'll get none without a smartphone. So I'm talking about you who has a smartphone, and on that smartphone there's WhatsApp. Do you happen to be in any group of WhatsApp? Do you happen to can text somebody as messenger on WhatsApp? I'm talking to you. Let's know how to make money with WhatsApp status. So good morning, welcome back to this mind-blowing video. This is a platform whereby we give you tips on how you can easily make some money using your smartphone. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial consultant, neither. This money you make online might not be make you a buoyant in one day. It might not make you buy limousine or maybe go for a vacation of your choice at the moment when you're starting, but it can give you a step ahead, and it can at least make sure that you can be having a cup of mocktail, you can be having some change to take your friends out. So let's dive in. But before we dive in, there are special people, especially online, that we need to appreciate. We need to appreciate our top engagers. We need to appreciate everybody that is engages our videos. Are you one or two? We don't mind. Thank you very much. You make us, and you made us, and you're still making us. And to you new subscribers, please, this is a place where you get tips, honest truth. We're not going to beat around the bush. We're not looking for views. Yes, we love views, but we have to bring for you the thing that is workable. So let's dive in and see how can you make money with your WhatsApp status. When we're talking about making money with your WhatsApp status, there are a lot of ideas right now. I know that is coming to your mind. Do I put an account and money start rolling to my account? No, it's not like that. But what you put on your status matters. What is the intention and what are the results? At the end of the day, if you go and check your status and you find WhatsApp status, 20 people have watched your status, what did you gain from there? Are you informing people of what is going through in your life, what you ate today, the vacation you went to, the people who visited you, even some of us, we even put some messages of hurt people, someone had maybe hurt us, and you indirectly telling that person no. It's like this. If you're using your WhatsApp status, I want you to go to my WhatsApp status, my number, you know it all. If you don't know it, put in the comment section. You see what I put. You can put one, you can put products you sell. 2, you can put services you give. 3, you can put the links or the videos you want people to watch. Now, on the last one, you're going to say, Christine, when people watch videos, what comes? Of course, money comes. And how does money come? I'm not meaning you who is going to go to a platform like TikTok and you get a viral video, then you bring and put it on your WhatsApp. No, I mean, if you're putting a video, put a video or a link that is directed to your channel. So this goes for creators, social media entrepreneurs. If you have a channel, if you're a content creator, you can easily direct people to your channel. Is it Facebook? Is it YouTube? Is it TikTok? You just put a link, or you put a short clip, then the details you tell them to watch on the link, and of which the link you'll be attaching it on your WhatsApp status. Now for products, someone is going to say, I don't have products, I don't have a shop. Hold on, I've got you covered. You guys, it's not about you having a physical shop, physical products. No, those gone are the days when people would buy. Me myself, I was one of them, when I bought things and loaded them in the store, then started posting on status. And up to now, people still contact me because of that. But that is an old way. You can do it if you have a physical shop, or if you have two. But if you don't have a physical shop, you don't have to do that. People now are doing drop shipping. People now are doing product outsourcing. People now are doing personal shoppers. All these ones, you do them by putting products that you can easily access on your status. And how do you easily access this? I'll go to Home Center, I'll go to Center Point, I'll go to Homebox, I'll go to IKEA, I'll go to Danube, everywhere, wherever you know. Talk about it. I'll go to Shade, I'll go to Amazon and bring the products that I'm interested in selling. Not only that you're interested in selling, you can first know which products is majorly looked for. And you can also know this by going to Google Trends. If you go to Google Trends, you'll know what people in Sharjah are highly searching online. So, meaning that I'm going to know the products that people know or want. My own people, the worldwide all. I bring the products, the photos, I put them on my WhatsApp status. When you put them on WhatsApp status, people, you can either tell them, DM you. Yeah, if you're doing it on a personal basis, please tell them to DM you. But if you're doing it with a link, with the relationship with the owners of the product, I mean the shop or the sites, that one you can easily put them direct. So you tell them your product, they'll be having your code. That is if you are into affiliate marketing. But if you're selling products, raw products, you are going to get this candle. For example, you take a photo, a screenshot, a photo from the shop or from the website, you put it on your status. If you put it on your status, do you know, someone might think this is a bangle. Another one, I'll say this is a very beautiful candle holder. So when someone wants this candle holder, will talk to me. If you talk to me through my WhatsApp, I give you the amount of money. If I'm giving you at $10 and I get it from there $5, that is money. This is what I mean, making money with WhatsApp status. Then we go to the services. Most people, they know how to make hair. That is a service. Most people, they know how to do graphics. Most people, they know how to manage social media platforms. Most people, they know how to advertise. These are skills. There are a lot of things that you can offer. Most people can do graphics as far as even thumbnail is concerned. So what you do, put it on your status. People who want are going to see your status out of your friends, and even they will even recommend it. So I would want you to put in the comment section if you know you're among the people who are using the WhatsApp like this for marketing, for selling, for referring, for promoting. Put it in the section. And after this, we'll be going through like my WhatsApp updates and see all my friends we'll take a sample survey and see what do they post. Out of them all, what do they post? Then we'll come back to this. So now, this is a pro tip. I know you're going to say, I don't have many contacts. If you want to know how to make many contacts, just go and get friends on Facebook. When you're promoting something on Facebook, you put your number. This is a video for another day. Please, if you want to know how to promote, to get more contacts, put it in the comment section. I'll come up with a full video. Thank you very much.